Welcome to Achievement. Let's start general knowledge questions about animals and birds part 1. Are you ready? Okay. Which animal do not make any sound? Giraffe. Question: which bird can fly backwards? Answer: hummingbird. Question: which species of bird flies at the highest elevation? Answer: bar-headed goose. Question: how many muscles in each ear of a cat? Answer: 32. Question: the animal fasts for about 8 months in a year and yet is active, gives birth, and nurses its young while fasting. Name the animal. Answer: polar bear. Question: which of the following bird is the state bird of 3 Indian states? Answer: blue jay. Question: in which of the following animals respiration done by skin? Answer: frog. Question: which one is largest in size among the subspecies of tiger? Answer: Siberian tiger. Question: how many subspecies of tiger found in the world? Answer: 9. Question: name the only country where both tigers and lions are found. Answer: India. Question: one-horn rhino is found in? Answer: India. Question: the age of lion can be determined from its? Answer: color of nose. Question: how far can an owl rotate its head? Answer: 270 degrees. Question: which animal exclusively eat only eucalyptus leaves and nothing else? Answer: koala. Question: which of the following is not a true fish? Answer: sucker fish. In which of the following kinds of organism is the phenomenon found wherein the female kills the male copulation? Answer: honeybee. Congratulations, we have completed a lesson today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more amazing learning.